Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a menu on your WordPress site. So let's get into it, right? So you can also go ahead and go to appearances, and then you can see menu here. So I'll just go ahead and click on menu. So on menu, so right in your menu, you can see where your menu structure is, right? So here you can set up your menu, and you can also set where you want it to show on your website. All right. So this is my menu, and on your menu here, it shows you your most recent pages, right? So here, right, you see pages, right? You can see now, you can close this drop down or you can open it. So here you see pages, so you can basically select any of the page that you want to show up on your menu. So let's take for instance, I'm going to select this. I'm going to select about, and you can see here if I click on add to menu, you see it has been added to menu here. So I'm just going to take this off because I really don't want to add this. All right, so same thing for posts. You can also click on the drop down to see your posts that have been added, um, that have already been created, that you have already created, and you can as well choose the post page that you want to add to this menu. So once you click on this radio, it's going to add to the menu. Then as well as you can create custom links, as you can create links to pages that don't even exist yet, or you can just create maybe an outbound link of the site. So here, let's say we add a URL, you can add any link here. So I'm just going to put hash, because if you don't put hash, the link will not be created, right? So link this, let's call it subscribe. So just gonna choose add to menu. So as you can see, this has been created. This menu has been created as well. So we also have the categories tab that shows you all the categories. Let's say for instance, you're using WooCommerce, you're doing products, or this even shows you all the categories from your blog content. But for this is primarily for your products. So you can as well select here and it will be added for you. You also have WooCommerce endpoints as well. So you can select any of the endpoints that you want to show. For instance, you want to show your logout page, you want to show lost as password um page on the menu bar. So you can select and it's going to reflect on your menu. So let's say for instance we just added this menu. Now I just added this, let me add one more, and then we'll publish this menu. So click on add to menu, and then click on save menu. All right, so more actions you can do on your menu is to select the display location. Selecting this as your main menu means that you want to ensure that it shows up on everywhere that main menu is supposed to appear, and that is basically on your main header here, and in most cases if it has been set to appear on your footer as well, right? So I'm just going to unselect this because I only have one menu here. Also, you can also select this if you want to keep adding pages. That's new pages you create on your menu. You can select this, but I'm just going to unselect, just refresh the site so you can see our menu additions. So look at this, our menu additions are now showing on our website. All right, so that is basically how to add menu on your WordPress site. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.